From glory to glory, power to power we move. We enjoy the communion that's in the blood of the Lamb. From glory to glory, power to power we move. We enjoy the communion that's in the blood of the Lamb. When the stormy wave is raging, it's the time we move. We move by faith. When the stormy wave is raging, it's the time we move. Thank God for His word that says, if God be for us, who can be against us? What can stand against us? For in all these things we are more than conquerors. So lift up your voice and say, in His name, nothing moves. We're fine. In His name, nothing moves. We're moving to glory. We're moving to joy. From mockery to our miracles, faith can move every mountain. From glory to glory, we move. So, with faith in our hearts, we move.